Good morning. I'm Liz with Eco Urban Gardens and welcome back to Gardening at Home. So today we're going to learn how to deadhead flowers. So deadheading is a term used by gardeners to cut off dead flower stalks. So we want to deadhead our flowers because it produces new flowers by putting energy back into the plant. So today we're going to demonstrate our deadheading on this lavender bed. And as you can see, there's about 40 million dead flowers on here, so we have our work cut out for us. And I know it takes a little while to deadhead, but it can be extremely meditative and calming. So all you're going to need to deadhead is something to cut. So you can either use these tiny clippers, some garden pruners, or you could just use regular scissors. So today I'm going to use the pruners because that's the one I'm the most comfortable with. Gonna pop these guys open here. So the trick to deadheading is finding the node. The node is the junction of where the stem and the branches or the leaves connect. So right here is the node. It's the junction of all the stems. So we want to cut just above the node, and that will allow these two branches to become two new flowers. So every time you cut off one, two will grow. So another thing you can do while you're deadheading is save your seeds. So we're gonna cut off a couple of these dead flowers here, and I can hear the little seeds rattling inside. So all you need to do is take your dead flower stalks and you're gonna tap them out either onto a tray or into a bowl or a plate. And then you want to let your seeds dry out and you can save them in a jar. So if you look really close here, you see these tiny white dots? Those are the lavender seeds. They're very small, but we'll probably get a couple jars from this whole bed. So that is it for deadheading. You can do it on any type of plant, a succulent, a tree, pretty much anything that flowers. And if you have more questions about how to do it, feel free to reach out to us directly through social media or through our website. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next week.